Shut up, pal. Listen, look, I'll shut up, Sham.
He's having a gut in for talking to me.
It's him again. How many times have I told you to leave her alone? I'd leave it off, right? I don't want you to have nothing to do with her. You sit down, mate. Why don't you just shoot off? Look, I'm talking to her, I'm not talking to you.
She don't want to be with you, she said she don't want to be with you, and that's it, right? So why don't you move away?
Look, leave her alone. And you. Pick it up, right? See that?
They don't want to listen to the music. They don't want to listen to the lyrics. Why should they? Nobody else has trusted them before. Nobody else has done anything for them before. So who's this bullshit? Who's this other bullshit that's come along saying, "Oh, listen to me," or don't do that. There's no need to do that. Oh, sod off! I ain't taking any notice of you. You're like all the rest. That's why they do it. Because they don't trust anybody. Why should they trust anybody? No one's ever trusted them before. So they do enjoy having a rap. They do enjoy having a fight.
I don't know what to do now. What can I do? I mean, I'll do it for you. If you trust me, I would have trusted you. How can I go out there and do all this for someone? I mean, it's ridiculous, isn't it? I keep going out there, giving my life to people, but they're not willing to give their lives to me. Yeah. I mean, it's like, you put your hand out to shake hands with someone, and it's, if they want to shake your hand, they shake your hand. If they don't, they don't.
Oh no, come on. He's upset. And let's play the game. If we play the game, he'll come back and let's have a good time. And don't ruin it. So you not play the game, Jimmy and Sham 69.
Can I go? I mean, I preach peace. I go on there. I do my best. And that's all I can do is do my best. Because I'm a human being,
And if you jack it in, they say you've taken the money and run. So if any people out there can decide what I should do, I would be quite willing to listen.
Right, now look, quiet them down, okay?
Right. They told me not to come back out here. Right. They said don't walk back out there, because it ain't right. I tell you, I'll go anywhere, anytime, and I'll do it for you. And you laugh, anybody else laughs, you send your letters in to Public Image and all the other shit, but I will always be here, and I will always say what I think. And I never shit out of nothing, so we're going through with it. No cure. It's the greatest!
So what do? You jack it in? Do I jack it in now? Do I feel that they've destroyed me and taken everything away that was me 2 years ago? No, they bloody don't.
Right. See, I couldn't give two shits. Right, Lord, if the kids, they know the words. Something to say, I want to say it now, but now it's today. Life has been given to grab and enjoy, so let's all grab and let's all enjoy.
Just what you see, kids with feelings like you and me. Understand him and understand you, but you are him and he is you.
You see everybody around you, and you say to yourself, look, I write these songs because I believe in these songs. When I wrote Kids United and everything else, I believed in them. And so if you don't see them full, the fulfillment of them coming true, it's very frustrating for you.
He said to come down the studios and do a bit like vocal backups on Kids United single. So I thought it's great, I went down there and sang on the single. And when the single got released, I went up the West End, Polydor Studios and that, and I see Jim in that, and they had loads of mail and all things like that, fan mail, and I said, well, I'll do that, work for you and that and go on tour with you. And they said, yeah, and Jimmy offered me a job and I was really pleased. Greatest thing that's ever happened to me, really.
Okay.